Hello everyone, I'm Avinash. Today I have brought you some job and internship updates. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe for more updates. So starting with the first one, Nvidia is hiring for system software engineer. Locations are Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai for full time, and these are the requirements that you need to fulfill. You must have bachelor, master, PhD degree in computer science or equivalent experience. You must have knowledge of data structure and algorithm operating system, strong programming in Python, Java, or C++. And another update is from Dell for software engineering first cloud developer. You must have 0 to 2 year of development experience in C, C++, ASP.NET, MVC, Angular, and so on. Okay. Third update is from Nokia for software development engineer. Location is in Bangalore, and the requirements that you must have these skills: strong C++ programming experience, good understanding of architecture, design, developing, and so on. Fourth update is from Mindtree for junior software engineer for cybersecurity. You must have these skills to apply. Okay. And the fifth update is from Baker Hughes for software developer, job location in Mumbai. You must have these skills to apply. Comfortable in building features such as web service queries and existing tables. Okay. So read all these descriptions, then apply if you are eligible. And the last update for jobs is for software development engineer in Mastercard. And these are the requirements that you have to fulfill to apply for this job. Okay, I will provide all the links in the description. And the internship update is from Microsoft for research intern. Qualification is that you must be university student, doctoral, master, or undergraduate program. So you can apply in this internships. All the links is posted on our LinkedIn page. You can directly apply from these links. I will provide the link in the description. So please do apply. And if you are new, so follow our LinkedIn page and subscribe our YouTube channel for more job and internship updates. Also share with your friends so that they can also apply for these jobs and internships. Thank you.